Yeah, I just pulled off from the back 40.
I felt the rumble,
They just blasted out there, dynamite. I just got out the back 40 and they lit it up. See any smoke and dust, they were saying. It's pretty. So I'm on load number 2. I don't know where my little 360 cam is. Let's look over there and see if we see anything. I thought they'd make sure we were all out of here before they blasted, but so load number 2, I'm kind of light, which is good. They're not overloading us, at least. We're going up to another town over. Oh boy. And building a big condo thing here up next to the Y. I joined the Y up there and helped, actually, when they were building it. I worked up there with my truck in 08. They finished it in 08. I actually finished it in 07, so because I joined in 08 New Year's. In 08, that's been 11 years, 12 years almost. But it was pretty expensive, even that. $60 for a single. I don't know what it would be now. It seemed like it'd be way worse 12 years ago. But that Y is pretty nice. They just finished a new one just the other week up in Henrietta. Pretty nice, in Pittsford area. Really nice, massive Y. So that's about it. Let's see what I got on. 58,000. Yeah, I'm real light.